Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Fucking Around with Josh. I'm your host. Here I hope to show you guys some great recipes and good food. And here's our first video, enjoy. Okay guys, I'm kind of going through the process here with you. First thing you do is take your beef bones. Here I'm using short ribs, a beef knuckle, and some marrow bones, as well as our aromatics. So I have some ginger and onions. You're gonna roast all that in the oven, about 450 for 45 minutes or so. While that's going on, you take all your whole spices. So here I have cardamom, coriander, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and star anise. Just dry roast those in a pan. After those are dry roasted, wrap them up in some cheesecloth, tie it off with some butcher's twine. That's what that little sachet is there. Once everything's out, get yourself your pot. Here I used a pressure cooker just to make a quick and easy recipe. I put everything in that pressure cooker. As well, as you can see, I added some Thai chilies. There's also some garlic in there because I like that for flavor. You're gonna put all that in there, fill it up with water. And then my pressure cooker has a maximum fill line, so I think it was like 4 quarts, so that's what I filled it up with. Set to pressure cook. I pressure cooked it for 2 hours. And then what you see in the bowl there is all of our noodles and the rest of our vegetables. So we have our noodles, our Thai basil, we have our bean sprouts. There's some cilantro in there and green onions. And then that red stuff there, typically you'd be using beef. I didn't have any thawed out this time, so I used some actual venison. So what you see that red stuff there, that's just some raw venison as well as some Thai chilies. And then once you're ready to go with your bowl, you just pour some of your broth, hot broth over that. It'll cook it. And that's just a quick and easy recipe for some pho. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.